PrepMate comes with 2 shelves. Whether the shelves are solid or wire, the assembly method is the same. 2 PrepMate rails, 4 posts, 4 casters, and 3 bags of split sleeves are also included. Assembly is easy. Unscrew the leveling leg from each post. Place a set of split sleeves on the lowest groove of each of the 4 posts. Place the bottom shelf onto the 4 posts. Place a set of split sleeves on groove number 21 of each post. Place the posts into the shelf. Turn the unit on its side. Lock each caster by pressing down on the orange lever. Then screw the casters into each post. Determine your desired working height and place a set of split sleeves on each of the posts. Place the PrepMate rails onto the posts. The PrepMate rails can be repositioned at any time for better working heights. To do this, lift the PrepMate rails and reposition the split sleeves along the post. Remember, you can adjust the unit to different heights at any time. Enjoy your PrepMate.